So for login page, we need a home page, and then you need a registration page, and my account page, logout page also we need. Once you log in, you need to log out, right? So that's why we need all of them. Just create object. So home, registration, login we already done. My account page equal to new my account page. So driver. Next we need a logout page. New logout driver. So and we need to log in one. So maybe login you can do, or just navigate to login page is we need to do from the before class itself. So we navigate to login page, then you can perform the other actions. Okay. So just do the chain test LP chain test listener dot log. You can add navigate to login page. So navigate to login page. Just import this, not import, add exception. So interrupted exception. So the first test case is, so verify the login page URL test. So verify the login page URL test. So even I don't know, we have written the home page which has a get page title. I think we didn't. Okay, we have a login title. If you want to verify that, also you can do that. Maybe I'll use verify the login page title. I can just change this, and the second test case will let verify the login page title test. So you have to give login page. Get login, get title. So there is a get title method. And the constants, I think we didn't add. So let's add that. Oh, we had already added. So this one we want. Okay, so done. Second test case. So verify the login page URL. You need to verify the login page URL test. So login page. So we need to check this login page is present first. There is a method get login page URL. So if you see that get login page URL is there. So this returns a string type data. So contains, so you take the contains method, constants class dot login page fraction URL. So we have a login page fraction URL, right? Already we have account login. So in this complete URL, do we have this fraction URL or not? We are checking. So then we are good. Next. So you can verify the login page elements. So next test case, verify login page elements test. Elements. So we are just verifying all the elements. So login page elements test. Okay. So now just verify all the elements. So what are all the elements you can verify? Like, so breadcrumb exist or not? You can see here login page. So we already seen this one, these ones. All these ones are exist or not. You can just call these functions there directly. So as set to true, you can put login page dot. So is breadcrumb exist. So like that, you can put all the elements. Is new customer header exist. So is login breadcrumb we have completed, is returning customer exist. So you can just verify all of them. That's a one test case. Next. So next test case is, so navigate to registration page from login page. Navigate to registration page from login page. Navigate to registration page test. Verify navigate to registration page test from login page. Okay. So you can write a just so we need to click on new customer continue button. So in the login page. So what is that function? We need to see that. Click new customer continue button. So then that will navigate to registration page. So you can wait for the registration and verify the registration page title, and so the verification is done. Then you can navigate to home page, right? So this is what a simple test case previously we did, but only the method is changing. Next, so verify, navigate to forget password page, right? Forget password page from login page. To forget password page. So here one more thing we can do, we have to navigate to navigate back to login page, right? So we don't want to go to home page. So I need to click on, so there is a login link in the, click on login page link in the registration page. So then it will come to that page. So that you can run in the order these test cases, you will get out. Otherwise you put a dependency between these two methods, then this will work out. Otherwise again it will fail. You can put a order or priority, you can set it between these two, or dependence on methods. So depends on methods you can put between these two methods, so then it will work properly for you. So like this, depends on methods. You have to give this method name. So obviously before running this test method, first this should execute and it will come here. Now, so you need to write, so login page dot navigate to forget password. Where is that? So do we have forget password? Yes, here it is. Then, so you can wait for the page load, and then maybe I will use driver dot navigate dot back method. So navigate back to the login page. You can say driver dot navigate method dot back method. That is the another method. Next, so next test case is empty credentials. So you don't give any credentials, right? So don't provide any credentials, then try it out. So I'm going to provide that. Let's see how to create this test case. I'm just copying. So TC06 verify empty credential test. So this one I don't need. Depends on method not required. Verify empty credential test. Okay. So login page, just call do login, right? Just call do login. So wait for page load, and you can just so verify the empty credential error message. How to verify set dot set true. Get empty credentials error message. Dot contains, and maybe you can store this in the constants. So did we store or not? Let's see. So the message you have to give some empty credentials error message. It's not there, I'll declare. So we can give empty credentials error message. The error message is let's see what is that. This is one. So I'm going to give this. Okay, and just call that constants dot empty credentials error message. That's it. Next, so valid. So valid test. So you can put, okay, something we made a mistake. 6, so this is a 6, right? Okay, we forget to change this. This is a 6. So verify valid credentials test. So it depends on the, first I'll put even depends on the method is important here. Depends on, so first execute that empty credential test. So this one should be executed first. Then we can ask this. Otherwise, this will fail. If it executes, this will fail because it will log in, right? It will fail. So we don't want to make such kind of that. So scenarios to fail, make a proper order. Verify valid credentials test. So then verify valid credential test. Okay. So valid credential, do login and just give the username passwords. But username password you have to read from where? From the property file.
Properties file.
So that file, how can we read? So we have in the WebDriver factory. So read property value method is there. And what is the username is the key. And same thing you do WebDriver factory. So read property value and password we have given. So why it's throwing error? Let's see, unhandled exception. So we add the exception. So login is done. Now once it is logged in, it will go to my account page, right? So you wait for the my account page title. So wait and then so verify my account page title. Right? So verify my account page title. So you can take asset equals so my account page. So you can just get the page title. Get title. There is a get title, my account page title or get title. So we have a get title, comma. So in the constants, you can store the my account page title. So my account page title, what we have, let's see. So do we have a just, oh, we didn't change. Get my account page title. Get my account is URL. Right? So we have already. So we use this method. Page test, right? So it's not there. Let's go and add. So my account page title. So what is that? You log in and you will get the my account page title, my account. So just my account. You can see here my account. Just take this URL. Yeah, done. So it will log in. That is also one thing. The last one, log out. So you log out from there, right? So it depends on login term. Verify logout from my account test. Logout test. Verify logout test. So it's so what we need to do, we need to first click on the logout link, right? So if you want to click my account page dot, click logout link. So and directly you cannot click, but first what is there in this function? Let's see. So is logout exist? No, directly it won't come. You have to click on the my account, right? So you have to click on my account and then you can it is possible. So you have to click on my account menu. You have to click on this. I think we haven't written the functions.
We have written it down.
Click my account menu. So you have to call this function first here. Okay, is logout exist? It is calling. Okay, that one. That's why I didn't call that. Yeah, I think this will take care. Okay, that will take care. Let's see if it is not working. We can do that. Okay. So logout link, and you have to wait for the page load. Logout page dot wait for page load. So I'm giving 1000 or 2000. Okay. So then you have to wait for the account logout, wait for the or verify the logout page title. So you have to give logout page dot. So you have to give the title, right? Get title. So you have logout page title. So we have logout page title. Okay. So it's not there. I will include. Okay. Let's write logout page title. So I will add that in that logout page title. So let's do that. Then you will come to know, right? So what is the title is there? Account logout. Okay. So this one, we don't need this one. Next, you have to click on logout is dot click continue button. So let's write this statement also. Click continue button. So after that, you can wait for the home page, because once you click on log, it will go to home page. So then assert dot assert equals, so home page dot get home page title, comma constants dot home page title. You have that. That's all. So these are all the test case, but still there are two expected 79. Where is the 79? It is missing bracket extra. We don't need that. Okay. Now include this test case in the suit file. So just go and include this test case in the suit file. So how to include? Just class com dot create dot open card dot test cases dot login page test. Done. So let's execute this suit file now. Run test ng. The report says the worry. Tomorrow I'll show you definitely. So you can see the easy navigations with the health. These are home page now. Home page is done. Now login page. So it is navigating to login page. So first registration it will go. Again we are going back to login page. You are navigating to forget password. Navigate back to login. Empty credentials. So you should get a message and then proper credentials you are giving. Then log out. You are going to click and see log out exist. So that's a proper sequence of steps we need to follow to show this. Okay. So that's nicely it is set up. Total 13 test cases passed, and maybe we'll see one test case will fail wantedly. Okay, almost the time also over, but I'll make one test case failure. Any of them. Maybe I will give one. It won't fail. I can give wantedly one here. So now let's run it. I don't know, it will finish in 1 minute. We have. So with that, we are done. And we'll see tomorrow reports and other test cases. So how many test cases left? My account page, product details, registration. Another 3 are left. So with that 3, we're good. So then I want to show you, maybe by next week we can close everything. Tomorrow we can finish my account page and product details. And registration page will be pending for the next week. And then we'll run in the Jenkins also by next week. And we're good. It got failed in waiting for that. Login page URL test.